Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2005 Honda Odyssey, and on this Honda Odyssey we're going to go over how you would change your cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is the filter that you use, or that is used to filter the air for the interior of your vehicle. This one is located behind the glove box. So to start with, you're going to open up the glove box, and then you will want to remove your stuff that's inside the glove box because you will be dropping it down. Now, inside the glove box there are two tabs, one on both sides, and you're going to want to use a screwdriver of sorts to get behind it and then pop it out. And what you're going to do is you're going to pop it and you're going to bring and remove this unit. So we do that on that side, and we're going to do it on the right side also. And then once you've done that, then the whole glove box will be able to fold down. And when the glove box is folded down, you now have access to the little cover here that you just got to push both tabs and pull out this tray to be able to replace this cabin air filter. And so the cabin air filter sits in this tray. We also have an arrow on here saying that the airflow goes down. And so when we get our new filter, we're going to want to look on it, and it has an arrow. There's an arrow and tells us that the airflow is down. So we'll line this up with the airflow facing down, and now be able to install this tray with the filter back on it and snap that into place. Now once you're done with that, then you can bring this back up, get your little clips, and be able to install them. As well as lined up, popped in, then you'll be able to put your supplies back in your glove box, and you'll be good to go. And then close it up. And that's how you would change your cabin air filter on your 2005 Honda Odyssey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.